The phrase Karael Shuvat Orien Sileqta is presented as a tool to influence the alignment of external events and scenarios in your life. This practice is believed to act as an energetic gateway, helping to open a door to new opportunities and favorable circumstances. To use this phrase effectively, you should stand alone and say it out loud just once. The key is to have a clear and specific intention in mind at the moment you say it. For instance, you would first clearly state your goal, such as, "I intend to start a new business and attract the right customers," and then say the phrase. While repeating it in your mind is an option, saying it out loud is considered more effective due to the vibrational power of sound. This practice is meant to be used when you are starting something new, taking a big step, or seeking to guide a situation with a clear purpose. It won't cause immediate, visible events, but rather is said to influence the flow of situations and encounters. The result is described as an energetic redirection that might lead to unexpected opportunities, meetings with helpful people, or favorable turns of events. For the best results, remember that the clearer and more specific your intention is, the stronger the effect is believed to be. This practice is recommended to be done only once a day to maintain an energetic balance.